Hi Rob, hope you're doing well. Thank you for choosing me for the job. So the work is complete, and this is the file that I'm finally going to give you. So when you're less occupied, kindly do check the file and let me know if this is as per your liking and the metrics. So I'll start with the first thing. So in the data sheet, what I've done here is if you scroll to your right, I've added all of these cells just to support the dashboard. I know some of these were there, is just that I wanted to be sure that I didn't want to touch any of them. So they do have formulas in them, so you may want to, when you have like new data, you can just go ahead and use it here directly. So that's pretty much where we are in terms of the the dashboard. It's a very dynamic dashboard. So let's say you want to go ahead and see for a specific country, you can click on it. All the these are your overalls, and it just comes back and says what's the the valuation and the total companies that we have in terms of the countries and everything. Some of these will not populate, like US only count, and non-US, so it's like vice versa. So if you're clicking some other country which is not a US, so obviously this will all Francis, so that's how it works. So it's like this one shows like an overall figure as per the data, so which you can slice and dice. You can do multi slice and dice as well. So for example, let's say you wanted to go ahead and click on Germany and then go ahead and see for what are the decons. You may choose to do so as well, and all the other things will automatically get updated. So same with the charts as well. So move on down. So this only in this entire dashboard, only this chart and this two are pretty static, meaning everything that you have in terms of the data will be automatically updated. It's like the overall cap with the yearly trend. So that's pretty much what we have here. However, if you're using there's some logics that you need to implement while using the the country. So I'll go ahead and click on this refresh button just in case. So when you change or add new data, all that you need to do is come and click on refresh button. All of the data, every single chart, every single number will automatically get updated, so you're ready to go. So starting with the the count of the countries, evaluation, whether it's a China or a non-China count, and then you have the evaluation versus non-China, and then the sector-wise split up here. And again, as I said, you can go ahead and slice and dice with whatever country or slices. It will automatically get updated. For example, let's say you want to go ahead and see for Denmark, or I think we'll select a better country, like say try Singapore if not. So if you come down, you can see the charts are getting customized based on that. So okay, so let me just click refresh. There's something, the reason why I clicked refresh is for a reason, so I'll explain that just shortly. Okay, so let's come down. So you can see all of these are getting restored. Top 10 valuation, area of valuation, top 400 companies, and we have average maturity, top 10 valuation, and then all of every single thing here. And so this one shows the distribution of 1 billion to 5 billion. Most of them are here. What I've also done here is in this you have manually put the format. That's actually incorrect. So if you multiply it, you get the valuation, and this gets automatically formatted with the format that we need to use that, and then it gets updated. So that's why there could be a difference in here. So I don't know if this is right or wrong. So pretty much where we are. So one thing I wanted to keep you posted, let's say you want to go ahead and see a top 20 valuation on a country. If you slice and dice, like let's say you want to go ahead and click on France, your data will show only that. But when you try to remove the slicer out, obviously it will restore to every single thing, which will make the chart very cluttered, because So you can also see here it's top 20 country. So it depends on what slicer you use and what chart you're looking at. So in other words, in order to restore this, all you need to do is come here, click on refresh. It will automatically get refreshed on its own here. And so we'll wait for it to finish. So if you come down now, you can see that all the top 20 countries have been restored. So when you try using you can't actually look out for a top 20 by clicking on a country and expect it to work. So it's actually not going to work. So that's the thing. In terms of the year values, what are the fields I've used? I've used a query year, I've used the valuation, and I've used this one and this one primarily for the dashboard. So let's see what else. All of the other things I've checked out. These things come here, and I've also added whether it's a decon or not. When this is the thing where it says decon. So that's pretty much how it works. So let me know how it works. As I said, I really can't afford cancellation, so if there are any challenges, please feel free to let me know before ordering. But for changes also, please let me know before the thing. I'll be happy to work with you. But there are a lot of challenging dashboards like that. So this one I had given all of these in here. You may check all these values when you scroll to your right, column BA. So you have all the things that I've used in calculation are here in the same sheet as the dashboard. So let me know what you think, and we can go ahead further from there. If needed, we can do online demo as well, where you can let me know. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.